Hey everybody, Rich from Stickies RC, bringing you another video about the RC4GS from Radiolink. I'm going to get into some of the features of the new V2 version of this pretty awesome transmitter. So, one of the first features that you'll notice on the V2 of the RC4GS is this rubber plug that's in the top of the transmitter. Upon removing that, you'll find that there's a threaded hole in the top, and that is to allow you to mount your FPV setup for your drones, your boats, or anything for that matter, to the top of the remote so that you can easily see your phone while you're operating your vehicle. The standard trim adjustment buttons around the steering wheel, the third channel, and the gyro toggle switch, and also the new gyro control knob, which allows you to adjust the sensitivity of the gyro quickly and easily while you're operating your vehicle. The new trigger design has a non-slip surface and is also adjustable for throw and tension. One of the other new features on the V2 is the hook for the lanyard being on the back of the remote to help keep the remote safe when you're out in the field. You don't want it to fall on the ground if it accidentally slips out of your hands. Getting into some of the more technical features would be the 1,200-foot control range that this radio has, which is very good for the price. There's also the dual mix control, which makes it easy to perfectly control dual motor vehicles and RC boats. There's also the 12 millisecond response time. That's going to give all you racers out there that quick response time that you need when you're out on the track. Now let's jump into the menu and check out some of the features in there. First one I'm showing here is how the sensitivity of the gyro can be adjusted with the knob without having to go into the menu itself. And here's a quick look at the dual mixing menu so you can check out the features there. The upgrades and revisions that Radiolink has put into the V2 of the RC4GS shows that they're taking the time and the effort to make sure that they're bringing the best product they possibly can to the market. And I would like to thank Radiolink for giving me the opportunity to have this radio, test it out in a couple of my vehicles, have some fun with it, and be able to make some videos to share with all of you. Thank you very much for watching.